Our security depends on how our alarm system transmits, receives, and processes the information. In a word, on efficient monitoring and reporting. If necessary, these data can be sent to security services, medical services, or to the installer. GPRS-A is a Universal Monitoring Module. It is equipped with a GSM telephone and supports transmission using GPRS technology. It provides monitoring and, at the same time, notifies the concerned parties of selected events. When reporting events, GPRS-A effectively transmits information via GPRS and SMS messages. It can also work as a standalone device, that is, by monitoring the status of various devices and automation systems. The module sends notifications to a maximum of 8 phone numbers. When doing this, it uses several independent paths, so information will always reach the recipient. GPRS-A has 4 outputs that can be controlled remotely and activated from any location in several ways. Thus, it will be a perfect choice to implement automation functions. It is equipped with a one-wire digital sensor bus, to which up to 8 detectors can be connected. GPRS-A supports open communication protocols, which offers great possibilities to process and collect data, such as when you are creating own applications. Thanks to GPRS technology, support for open communication protocols and data acquisition systems, it perfectly fits into the idea of the Internet of Things. Gathering information from many modules in one place allows to create tools, for example, to supervise a wind farm. GPRS-A will also perform very well as a standalone module, monitoring the mobile homes, static caravans, or yachts. The module is operated remotely using the GX Control mobile application. It is configured in the GX Soft program. Efficient reporting significantly increases the efficiency of the alarm system and, at the same time, improves our security. This function is performed by the GPRS-A Universal Monitoring Module.